Well, today's looking a little better. I mean, that's ice though. Like, see? Like, it looks like it's water, but that's ice. But as you can see, it's not on the sidewalk. Well, I mean, it is up here where it didn't get shoveled. And there's ice. Like, look at the driveway. Let me see if it's crunchy. No, it's not like hard, but it's not soft either. But it's gorgeous out. We've got a little bit of blue sky. We've got some clouds. Oh, you know, not too bad. It's got just a slight bit of wind. Oh, there's Norma. It's pretty quiet out. Today's December 24th, 2022. It's usually pretty quiet in town, but I would think it would be even more quiet because a lot of the families have lived here for generations. And look, Nora. And there was a terrible, terrible fire in the 1800s, and it killed like over 50 people. And it happened like on Christmas, or I think it was Christmas Day or Christmas Eve or something. So it's like pretty solemn around these times. Oh, filling in a mud puddle, huh? Got to fill in a mud puddle?
I put in some on ice because it's...
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It was bad day before yesterday. Well, you have a good day. I love him. He's one of my favorite neighbors. Him and his wife. She's so cute. She's just the cutest lady. And she's our librarian. She works our library's only open on Mondays. And it's, look at this little, oh, look, there's a footprint. A perfect boot print. That's not my boot, look. That's funny. I'm sorry if I get sidetracked looking at tracks. But I guess, I don't know, that's just the way that I was brought up. My parents lived in some, they were wild and carefree. I remember I was like in 5th grade before I got electricity. When we moved into this abandoned church, and I was in 5th grade then. And that abandoned church, ironically today, is a house. But we lived there for like a long time, I remember. That's where I learned to roller skate. I was in 5th grade. And I played the clarinet. Look at that mud puddle. Looks like somebody was having fun. Looks like it was a bicycle. Or no, maybe a car. No, I don't think so. That one, yeah, but... none of the other stuff. Look at that old machinery type thing. Isn't that cool looking though? Amazing. It's pretty windy out, but the wind's at my back. And I notice that is better for my videos, is having the wind at my back. Look at that ice. But look how much it's melted. Like, if the drains and stuff don't, the problem is the ground is not drinking the water. It's staying on top, and then at nighttime, it's getting like below the teens. Look at that. And it's melting and then freezing, and then it's taking all day for that to melt away. Look, it's just a stray piece of straw. Oh, I wanted to see if there was anything going on down at the cemetery. No. Sometimes they do something down there, but like lay flowers and things. Oh, now the wind's coming up. Maybe if I could look at that. That's gonna be like practically a lake. Like if you come in the morning, you can see the ice still in it. That's gonna be, I've not seen it like this. Usually it'll snow, hurry up and melt, the ground will drink it, and then look at all the bird tracks. Look at that. The ground drinks it, it's gone, and then it'll a couple days later snow again. Dang it, here's garbage. Oh, gross. Now I gotta wash my hand when I get to the gas station. Oh, I had gloves in my pocket and I turn around and pick that up. Ugh. Sometimes I do not think. But look, the walk was a lot shorter because I didn't have to worry about, oh, I want to hurry up and get to the corner before this car, because I don't want to have to walk in the, okay, dang it. Okay, it's 35. Holy crap, people. There we go. Oh, thank you. Thank you. That was nice of them. Let's look at the gas prices. $4.09, better than $4.69, but I'm still not all that impressed because that's ridiculous right there. Ice, seriously?